A seminar program of an annual conference for Northeast India Commerce and Management Association was held at Tripura University on Friday. Minister Sudhanshu Das inaugurated the program by lighting the lamp.
State government has taken a different initiatives for the development and wellness of the people for past 5 years. People has seen a development in various aspects with the initiatives of Chief Minister Dr. Manik Saha. Rubber is an important factor to increase the financial stability of the state. Minister Sudhanshu Das said this speaking in the seminar program of an annual conference for Northeast India Commerce and Management Association organized at Tripura University on Friday. Minister Sudhanshu Das inaugurated the program by lighting the lamp.
A Unity Mall will be constructed within outlay of amount rupees 100 crore at Agartala to display and sell unique product of Tripura and other state. As you all know, under the leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, he has decided to establish Unity Mall in every state. So this is our great privilege also that we got this opportunity, and already site is being finalized. I think very near to your university, the Department of Industry and Department of Revenue Department has decided to construct the Unity Mall at near the Hapania Fairground. So very shortly, and I think the decision of the government, which is being taken in early cabinet, by 2024, 15th August before. I think the date is 15th. This is the target. Before that, we will construct this Unity Mall, which will be a best game changer for the Tripura also, for where the people of Tripura and our valuable product we can sell from this Unity Mall. And every state will also participate and also open their unique or innovative stall in this particular Unity Mall. As you all know, economy is also depend on our rural activities as well as our tourism. Tourism department is playing a vital role to improve our economical strength. After our BJP government led by our Dr. Manik Saha, our ex-Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, Tripura now is very much popular across the country.
The program was attended by Tripura University Vice Chancellor Ganga Prasad Prasen, Registrar Deepak Sharma, Organization General Secretary Professor Ambika Prasad Pati and others. Reported by Pranav from Agartala, Chini Khorang.